This is a demonstration of how our new Agentic AI ecosystem radically automates record-keeping functions associated with reading and correctly filing emails within enterprise content or document management systems. We also show how our ecosystem interacts with downstream systems to create new workflow steps and can flag certain emails as requiring attention by staff. Our initial focus will be on our classification engine and how it can attend to the following tasks. Consider a local council receiving between, say, 50 to 300 incoming emails a day. All correspondence needs to be read, and most will need filing in accordance with the State Records Act. There are naming conventions to follow, document expiration or sentencing dates to be set, subject lines to be amended, and certain correspondence will need to be flagged for action by staff. Now let's revisit our ecosystem and consider it within this real-world scenario. You have tens or hundreds of thousands of emails and attachments to process and file each year. You must comply with various policies, regulations, and standards pertaining to record keeping. Your filing systems need to be standardised according to your specifications. You have gigabytes or terabytes of historical records that need to be reclassified and filed. You need confidence that decisions made using artificial intelligence are correct without hallucination. You must have human oversight of the solution and how it works. You must maintain audit trails and records that answer who did what, when, and how. And you need a system that can integrate with platforms up or downstream. This is now available with CIBIS's Agentic AI ecosystem. In our first example, we're going to manually upload an incoming email and load it into the model to see how the model processes it. CIBIS's orchestration controls the chain of thought within the model, and it then determines how and where to file the email and whether to raise an action item or create a workflow task. While the email or messages are never stored, the logic applied to processing the email is logged for audit purposes. The outcome of the logic within the AI model clearly displays where it will file this email, and it can also create further action items upon processing. In this example, we show how the model has been told to ignore all marketing and PR related emails and not store them, just mark them as unclassified. The large language model quickly reads the email, and CIBIS's orchestration that controls the chain of thought enables it to flag the email as being unclassified, meaning it does not need to be saved and no further action needs to be taken. While these two simple examples illustrate parts of the inner workings of the model, it can accommodate far more complex and nuanced messages and situations. It may help to think of the AI model being like a car. We're not building our own AI model. Lots are already available. We've developed a behaviour layer that turns AI models into a task-specific engine. We've built a driver that can classify, execute, automate, action, and explain its decisions. That's what makes it reliable, powerful, and very efficient.